Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Kelvin Photography Studios, and please don't forget to like, comment on this video, and don't also forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you never miss any video from us. So without any much further ado, let us dive into it. Now we'll be looking at parts of a camera. This is Nikon 5100. Let me show you. This is Nikon 5100. This is a Nikon product, and this is a lens attached to the body of this camera. Now it is expedient to note here that where the settings of this camera are, that is not the way it will be in other cameras. For example, this is Nikon 5100. It will not be exact the same like these settings. Now you have your switch, you have this one, you have this one, you have that one. That's not how it will be in Nikon 750 and other ones. So basically, each of the settings or where the settings are located are peculiar to that kind of camera. So let me continue. So today, once again, we'll be looking at parts of a camera. Now, this is the lens I actually use for my studio work. There's the lens. This is 50 mm Nikon lens. Now, if you want to attach your lens, let me remove this lens now. If you want to attach your lens, you look at your lens and you will see this white thing here. You also see it in the body of your camera. This is the body of the camera and you are seeing it here. Now you will attach it. You are taking it yes, anti-clockwise. You rotate it anti-clockwise. That is to insert it to your camera. If you rotate it clockwise, it means you are removing your lens. Now once we insert it and rotate it anti-clockwise, it means you are inserting it. Now what is the function of the lens? The lens enables the camera to see through. It's just like the human body. You cannot do without your eyes. You see with your eyes. Now the lens is known as the eyes of the camera. It is where you see through. Without this lens, this body of the camera is not complete. And without this body of the camera, the lens too is not complete. So they work hand in hand together. So aside that, this is the flash. This is an inbuilt flash. Yes, you can, of course, we have external flash, but this is the camera inbuilt flash. And the function, just like it implies, flash is when you are shooting in a dark environment and you are using your flash, it makes the picture brighter. So it gives it brightness. This is the on and off button. Look at it, is on, is off, on, is off. So that's basically the function of this. The function of this, it is known as the on and the off button of a camera. Now this is known as the shooter's button. The shooter's button, where this is where you see the photographer. Once he holds onto it, this is where the capture happens. Yes, so this is the shooter's button. If I want to snap now, this is where I will press to snap. So this is known as the shooter's button. It's just like you are holding your phone to snap. There's a capture button there. This one is very peculiar with a camera. So this is where you hold. You just hold onto it like maybe a seconds or 2 seconds, and then you capture. So this is where you capture. This is your on button. This is your lens, and this is your flash, inbuilt flash. Now this is your alt shoe. This is known as the alt shoe. This is where you insert your trigger, your light, or anything that has the shoe at all. So this is where you insert those items that has the shoe. You can see it. It even look like a shoe. So this is the alt shoe. You insert your trigger, your light, or any other thing too that can wear the shoe, just like as I said. So this is the switch button. This is the switch button. The function of the switch button is to navigate it back to video and picture. So let's do an example here. Let me on it. Then you see it's in video now. It's in video. picture, video, picture. So that's the function of this switch button. And when you look at this, we have the mode. This is called the mode button also, the mode switch. You have mode, you can see it MASP. So when you turn this, it gives you different mode. When you turn it, it gives you different mode. It's a manual now. It's a manual, and that is the one I recommend, and that's the one I use for snapping. So it is actually recommended you leave it in manual. Yes, it's a manual already. Then this button, this one is, it functions along with this. It functions along with this. You know, every camera has their own different settings. Some has their aperture here, but in the case of this one, you are going along with, let me on it. So for us to change our aperture here, for us to change the aperture, we hold on to this one, and then, let's increase it. You can see what is happening to our aperture. You can see. Then we reduce it. We reduce it. We reduce it. So that's the function. That's the function of this. And that's the function of this also. So we'll be looking at the part 2 next time. We'll be discussing what this is and the rest of these buttons and this and their functions, and also this. So see you next time in my video. So please make sure to like this video, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in my next video.